Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our math class. All right, so class, we've already done with chapter 1, chapter 2, and now today we will finish chapter 3, which is time. Okay, so everybody, I want to get your math textbook. Let's try to answer the mastery practice. Just give me 1 second. Let me just go ahead and share the page for you, class. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Okay, so I think the last time we had our class with the last time we had class in chapter 3, I think we were able to answer the following questions, right? So let's try to double check, or let's try to check if you were able to write the correct answer, okay? Everybody open your textbook on this page. Does anyone know what page this is?
Teacher number.
What page number is this? I don't have my book here. Teacher, I don't have my book. Does anyone know what page number this is?
Page 45.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alpha. Okay, everyone, open your math textbook on page number 45. So I guess, as far as I remember, we already answered this one, right? But let me go ahead and double check if you were able to write the correct answer. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, so
Ready.
let's try to double check your answer if we have the same answer, okay? All right, so number 1, write the time using the 24-hour notation. So we have A, B, C, and D. So how do you write the time in letter A, 2 a.m.? How do you write the time for letter A? It's 2. So it's 2 a.m. So it goes like this now. Is it the same answer as yours? All right, letter B. What about letter B? 5:40 a.m. How do you write it? It's 05.40. Chemai? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Class, you say yes or no. Okay, I will ask you so that so you can also check or double check your answers. All right, so letter C, we have 4:17 p.m. So how do you write 4:17 p.m. in a 24-hour notation? Class, letter C, 16 and 17, is it correct? Is it the same as yours? Class, look at your textbook. Yes or no? 16, 17, right? And letter D, 9:23 p.m. So that's 21:23. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, okay? Find the amount of time. So for letter A, from 1:15 to 9:40. So what is the amount of time between this time? Boom. Letter A, find the amount of time from 1:15 to 9:40. This one.
Teacher.
Yes, Alpha?
Teacher me.
Okay. Alpha, what is the answer for letter A?
A.
Yes.
8 hours.
8 hours and 25 minutes. Class, we already answered this last time. So if I'm gonna ask you, just look at your math textbook and you can tell me the answer, okay? If I'm gonna ask you. All right, letter B, find the amount of time from 12:35 to 20:05. Letter B.
Teacher me.
Okay. Class, you can turn on your microphone, okay? Turn on your microphone if you want to answer. You don't have to wait for me to call your name. Okay, letter B, 12:35 to 20:05. What is the amount of time between this time? Class, letter B, answer Alaika.
Teacher me.
Okay. You tell me the answer, class. You don't have to wait for me to call your name.
7:30 minutes.
7 hours 30 minutes.
Okay, that's 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, now number 3, fill in the blanks. Convert 4 hour 20 minutes to minutes. So how many minutes in 4 hours and 20 minutes?
260 minutes.
All right, so that's 260 minutes. And for letter B, how many seconds in 16 minutes and 37 seconds? So that's 997 seconds. Yes or no? Is it a yes or is it a no?
Yes.
Okay, for letter C, 225 minutes, how many hours and how many minutes? So that's 3 hours and 45 minutes. Is it a yes or a no? Look at your book.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Letter D, 415 seconds. So how many minutes and seconds? Letter D. Class, letter D. How many minutes and how many seconds in 415 seconds? Letter D.
6 minutes 55 minutes.
8 hour 35. 8 minutes 35 seconds.
Okay, so that's 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Is it a yes or is it a no? Is it the same answers as you have in your book? Okay, now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4, May spent 1 hour, 20 minutes practicing the piano. Write this amount of time in minutes. So how many minutes in 1 hour and 20 minutes?
80 minutes.
All right, so that's 80 minutes. Okay, number 5. Pen spent 3 hours and 35 minutes painting a picture. She finished painting the picture at 14:15. At what time did she start painting the picture? Does anyone know? Number 5.
10. 10:40.
All right, so that's 10:40. So that's the time that she start painting the picture. Okay, number 6. Amy follows a timetable at home after school. Read the timetable to fill in the blanks below. All right, so for letter A, Amy starts doing her homework at 2:30 p.m. every what day? What day Amy starts doing her homework at 2:30 p.m.? What day, class? All right, that's
What day?
Tuesday, Friday, and Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, so for letter B, Annie's piano lesson lasts for 2 hours. Is it a yes or a no? Is it the same answer as yours? Is it a yes or a no? 2 hours. Do we have the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, and letter C, Amy has a total of 5 hours of enrichment lessons in a week. Is it a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And letter D, Amy does her homework for 3 hours and 30 minutes on Thursday. Is it a yes or a no?
No.
It's a yes. Okay, next, number 7. All right, so Leela spent 4 hours and 10 minutes making a bracelet and 2 hours and 20 minutes baking a cake. How much longer did she spend making the bracelet than baking the cake? What's the answer, class?
Six.
One 1 hour and 50 minutes. I already gave you the answer last time, Chaimai. Okay, write it down, write the answer on your textbook. All right, for number 8. Number 8. Som took 25 minutes to walk from her house to the library. She spent 2 hours and 18 minutes at the library and left at 4:02 p.m. What time did Som leave her house? Number 8. What time did Som leave her house? All right, so the answer is 1:19 p.m. Class, what happened? I already gave you the answer last time. You just have to check your textbook. Okay. All right, so that ends chapter 3. All right, now let's proceed to your math workbook. Okay, close your math textbook and open your math workbook. So let's answer and double check your activities here. All right, so let's answer the mastery practice. All right, so section A. For each question, 4 answer options A, B, C, and D are given. Choose the correct answer and write its letter in the brackets provided. So I'm not sure if we were able to answer this last time, but let's try to answer together, okay? So number 1, class, write 4:25 p.m. in the 24-hour notation. A, B, C, or D. How do you write 4:25 p.m. in the 24-hour notation? Anyone?
C.
Letter? Letter C. What is letter C?
16 to 25.
Okay, very good. So the answer is letter C, that's 16:25. All right, number 2, which of the following is incorrect? Again, number 2, which of the following is incorrect? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Letter D. 15:43 is 3:43 p.m. It's not 5:43. Okay, let's proceed to the next number. Number 3. Find the amount of time from 7:50 to 15:35. Find the amount of time from 7:50 to 15:35.
Teacher D.
Okay, it.
D.
Letter
D.
B. So that's 7 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, let's proceed to number 4. Convert 10 minutes, 36 seconds to seconds. So how many seconds in 10 minutes and 36 seconds?
C. Answer number C. C.
Letter C, let's check. Very good, Pete. So the answer for number 4 is letter C, 636 seconds. Class, why I only hear Pete? What about the other students? Kunchai, Alpha, Kwangtung, Yada, Boom, Gam, Spy, and Ter. What happened? I only hear Pete and sometimes Alpha. Okay, number 5. Phi studied for 3 hours and 14 minutes. Write this amount of time in minutes. So how many minutes in 3 hours, 14 minutes? Taulay nati. Sam Chumong. What's the answer? Letter?
Letter A. 109.44.
Okay, very good. So the answer is letter A, which is 194 minutes. Very good. Okay, number 6. So use the diagram below to answer question 6 and 7, 8 to 10. All right, so a few pupils made some plane models for science class. The time taken for each pupil to make the model is shown. So plane A is 120 minutes. Plane B, 90 minutes. Plane C, that's 1 hour and 15 minutes. Plane D, that's 40 minutes. Okay, question number 6. Ling took the shortest time to make her model. Which is her model? Which one is the shortest time? A, B, C, or D?
D. Answer D.
Letter B. Oh, D. It's 40 minutes. Letter D, it's 40 minutes. Okay, number 7. Number 7, can you read number 7? Spy?
Yes,
Can you read number 7?
Mom took 2 hours to make her model, which is her model.
Okay, so Mali took 2 hours to make her model. Which is her model? A, B, C, or D? How many minutes in 2 hours? Taulay nati in song chumong.
Answer A. A.
The answer is letter A.
A.
The answer is letter A, which is 120 minutes. So 120 minutes is 2 hours. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Oh.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Number 8. Conchai, can you read number 8, please?
Ned took a longer time than the but shorter time
Shorter
Then-
time.
shorter time than Mel
Mali.
Ali, which is her model.
Ah, okay. So I'm gonna read one more time. Nat took a longer time than D, but shorter time than Mali. So which is her model? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Letter
B.
B. So the answer is B,
Woohoo.
which is 90 minutes. Okay, let's proceed to number 9. Number 9, Pete, can you read number 9, please?
Okay. Which model belong to D?
Okay, which model belongs to D? A, B, C, or D? Model D, model Honkai. A, B, C, or D?
C. C.
Okay, so the answer is letter C. Wow, Pete, you're so good. All right, number 8. Guangdong, number 8. Oh no, number 10. I'm sorry. Guangdong, number 10. Can you read number 10, please?
Longer.
No, number 10.
Much
Longer.
longer did not take to make her model than D.
Okay, so how much longer did Nat take to make her model than D? So how much longer? Is it 5 minutes? Letter A, 5 minutes. Letter B, 15 minutes. Letter C, 25 minutes. Or letter D, 50 minutes. A, B, C, or D? What
15
letter?
minutes. D.
The answer is 15 minutes. So that's letter B.
Oh my God.
Wow. Okay, let's proceed to section B. So here, for each question, show your working clearly. All right. So number 1, boom. Can you read number 1, please?
Yes or no?
Number 1, Chan spent
Sean spent 2 hours 15 minutes working on a science project. He finished the project at
13.
13. At what time did he start working on the project?
Okay. So I'm gonna read one more time. Chan spent 2 hours, 15 minutes working on a science project. He finished the project at 13. At what time did he start working on the project? Okay, what's the answer? So let's try to use the number line. So let's say this is 13. This is 12. This is 11, 10, and 9. So he finished the project at 13. So this one, right? So all we have to do is to move backward, or let's count backward. So remember, 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's the duration or the time frame that he worked on a science project. So from here up to here, that's 1 hour. And then from here up to 12 to 11, that's 1 hour. But we still have 15 minutes. So we will count 15 minutes backwards. So this is 10:55, 10:50, 10:45. So from here up to here, that's 15 minutes. So what time, Kimo, what time did he start working on the project?
2 hour 2 hour 15 minutes.
No, that's the duration, that's the time frame. This is the time that he spent working on a science project. The question is what time, Kimo? What time? Ani, what time? This one.
9. 9.
What time here?
15 minutes.
Hey, Chai, that's 10,
10-15 minutes.
10:50 law.
10,
Class, remember,
10-15.
10, 15.
No.
10-15 minutes.
Class, this is 11, Chai Mai. And then this one, 10:55. This one, 10:50. This one is 10:45. So what's the time? It's 10:45.
10:45.
So the answer is 10:45. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I
Yes,
do.
I do.
Yes, I do.
All right, so the answer is 10:45. Okay, number 2. Let me call someone to read. Sapai, can you read number 2?
Vulcan and Ron took part in a race to 300 minutes. To finish the race, Khan took 4 hours 25 minutes to finish the race. Ron took 40 minutes more than Khan to finish the race. Who finished the race first? Who finished last?
Okay. So I'm gonna read the question one more time. Bua, Kan, and Leong took part in a race. So there are 3 people now. Bua took 300 minutes to finish the race. And then Kan took 4 hours and 25 minutes to finish the race. And Leung took 40 minutes more than Kan to finish the race. Question: who finished the race first? Who? Why? What is the name of a person who finished the race first? And who is, or what is the name of the person who finished last? Class question, do you understand the question number 2? Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Class, how many hours in 300 minutes? How light chumong? How many?
3 hour.
3 hour
3
3
hour.
hour 20 minutes.
No. 300 minutes is 5 hours, Chaymay. That's 5 hours. Now, who is the first person who finished the race, and who is the last person who finished the race? Who is number 1? Who is number 2? Who is number 3? Who is the first winner, second, and third? Who's first? Who's second? And who's third? All right, so the first one is Khan. Khan got only 4 hours and 25 minutes. And then Leong is 40 minutes more than Khan. So here is Leong. And then third is Bua.
Blue.
Bua is 5 hours, Chaymay. Because 300 minutes is equivalent to 5 hours. And then Leong is 4 hours. So 25 plus 40 minutes. Oh, no, I'm sorry, it's wrong, class. Hold on, this one is wrong. I'm sorry, this one is wrong. Okay, let's try to identify first their time, okay? So Bua, 5 hours. And then Khan is 4 hours and 25 minutes. And then Leong is 4 hours and 25 minutes plus 40 minutes. Taulay. So 4 hours and 25 minutes plus 4.
9 hours. 5 minutes.
5 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, very good, Pete. So let me check. Hold on. So the first one who finished the race is Khan. And then the second is Bua. And then the third is Leong. Khan has 4 hours and 25 minutes, Chaymay. And then Bua, 5 hours And then Leong, 5 hours and 5 minutes. So the first one who finished the race is Khan. And the last to finish the race is Leong. Class, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
If you don't understand, you can say, teacher, I don't understand. I don't. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
do.
do.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay. So Khan was the first and then Leong was the last. Okay, you copy this one. Kian. Are you done?
Teacher, I'm
I'm done.
Okay, let's proceed to this one. Boom, can you read number 3, please?
the timetable
Below.
below shows a list of television programs
Programs.
and the
Timings.
timing. Complete the table, then answer the following question.
Okay, so the timetable below shows a list of television programs and their timings. Complete the table, then answer the following question. Okay, let's start with, so wait, hold on. This is the program, okay? Program, we have Hello Bunny, Jungle Adventure, Sunny Hills, Dino and Friends, Princess Jazz. So those are the programs. And then the time, the start time and the duration. Okay, so Hello Bunny starts at 9:15 a.m. And the duration is 1 hour, 5 minutes. So what time Jungle Adventure starts? So all you have to do is to add 1 hour and 5 minutes to the start time. So that's 9:15, Shemai, 9:15. So you just have to plus 1 hour and 5 minutes. What is the time?
10.
10 alay, 10,
10:50 a.m.
10:15 law.
20:20.
Okay, very good. So the time Jungle Adventure starts at 10:20 a.m. Very good. And then the duration of the time of Jungle Adventure is 55 minutes. So 10:20 a.m. plus 55 minutes. So the next program, which is Sunny Hills, will start at 11:15. So what is the duration of this TV program, Sunny Hills? So you just have to calculate the duration from 11:15 a.m. to 12:05. So you can get the number or the duration of Sunny Hills.
Sunny Hills. Boy. ไม่ใช่นะมอ24วันละมากี่คืนไม่ได้สอนนะ start late
One hour, 10
1
minutes.
hour, 10 minutes.
10 minutes
1 hour long? Are you sure it's 1 hour?
Yes,
I'm sure.
I'm sure. Yes,
Are you sure it's 1 hour?
yes
I'm sure.
I'm sure
I'm sure.
The answer is only 50 minutes, not 1 hour. Huh? Class, you just have to subtract. You just have to minus 12:05 to 11:15. So it's not 1 hour, it's 50 minutes. Shemai? Okay, so Dino and Friends will start at 12:05 p.m. and then the duration of the time is 55 minutes. Oh, it's very easy. What time Princess class will start?
1 p.m.
Ah, very good. 1 p.m. or 13 p.m. It's the same now, 1 p.m. or 13 p.m. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
yes I do
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Letter A. Alpha, read letter A.
What time does
Princess Jazz.
Princess Jazz end?
Ah, so what time Princess Jazz will end? Ani, start, Chamai. What time it will end? Princess Jazz.
1:35
p.m.
1:35 or 13:35. Very good. Okay, letter B. Kunchai, letter B. Can you read letter B, please?
How much longer in Hello Bunny than Sunny Hills?
Ah, okay. How much longer? Hello, Bunny and Sunny Hills. So you just have to minus 9:15 a.m. to 11:15. Oh no, Michai, how long? 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. I'm sorry. You just have to minus 1 hour and 5 minutes too. And 50 minutes. 50 minutes minus 1 hour and 5 minutes. How much longer?
15 minutes 15
15 minutes. Very good. All right. Class, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
yes I do
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, so tomorrow we will continue with this page, okay? because we don't have so much time. So tomorrow we will continue with your math workbook, and after that, we will start chapter 5. We will not do chapter 4, okay? We will do chapter 5. Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye,
Bye, teacher.